That is a weird road. Oh man. Oh man. I'm sweating like a pig. This is Marc and welcome back to my channel. Our plans changed a bit yesterday. We didn't go to Piran. We stayed in Luma in Croatia. We accidentally crossed the border already to Croatia. We couldn't only book the place for one night and now we have to check out. We have to hurry a bit and get to Piran today. Let's see how that goes today. And we found a cheap Airbnb and we put all our stuff there and then we will just go to Piran today. We're now leaving for a little day trip to Piran and that is not right. That is a weird road. It's now off-road trip. So that I don't have all the luggage on. Yeah. Oh man. I hope that is the right way. That is very steep. The gravel is really loose. Okay. Okay. Can you get off here? That's just part. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Whew. But yeah, who would have thought, right? That is such an off-road adventure. Oh, crazy. I'm sweating like a pig. Oh man. That was the border.
Yeah, Slovenia.
Now we're in Slovenia. Crazy, crazy. My old Honda gets to do off-roading. Okay, back on the road. Did you enjoy the little off-road trip? Alright, shake them a bit.
Stop.
Cool. So we're in Piran now, exploring and walking through the city center. Ready. Goodbye, Piran. What a cool city. Wow. Boats, boats, boats. Look at the view. We're on our track again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We don't want to fall. I'm just wearing jeans and they're also ripped. There's the tractor. So it's cool.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. Have a good night. He thought we cannot go there. Woo! So nice and easy, right? Ah, look at that. Yeah. So now this way. Right, for this part I better do the long. It's just too steep. Whoa, whoa, woohoo! It's alone again. Wow. Climb, little goat. Wow. Yeah, I made it back on the road. That was fun. Hello. Hi. Hi. All right. So